Hi friends, Namaste. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show very simple exercises for knee joint pains. Nowadays, even the young people are suffering from this knee joint pain, whatever may be the reason, like arthritis or osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, rheumatic arthritis, or whatever type of arthritis, or psoriatic arthritis. Whatever kind of arthritis or knee joint pain you have, you can just try these simple exercises to get some relief from the pain. Okay friends, let's start. Lie down on your belly. Take your palms under your chin and just lift your knees up as much you can. Bring up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then you can take a break. Okay, one more very important stretch for your knee joint pains is very simple but very effective one. So take 2 chairs like this, one opposite to the other, and use a cushion or a big pillow, or you can use 2 pillows, one above the other. Okay, keep in this way and stretch your leg. As you cannot bend, you can just stretch and bring your leg straight on the pillow and other leg. Okay, you can adjust. So this way we are trying to elevate the legs higher than the hips. Okay, you feel a lot of stretch here. You can rest your back, you can make yourself comfortable and sit here. Just be here, you feel a lot of stretch, and also this gives immediate relief to your joint pains. Okay, so you can just do your WhatsApp or watch TV or just relax, and whenever you are free you can sit in this way. This is very effective posture for knee joint pains. Okay, so sit here for 5 to 10 minutes, or if you can sit more, at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can support your hands and bring your leg down. Okay friends, very simple. Just stretch your legs, deep breath in, breathing out, reach your toes and bend as much you can. Bend over your knees without lifting your knees. Okay, we need to strengthen the knee joint is here, so when the muscles below the knees and above the knees should be strengthened so that they can be separated and there is no friction on the knee joint. That's how we have to strengthen the muscles above and below the knee. So press your knees down, hold your toes and bend as much you can. You can feel a lot of stretch. Hold here and take 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you are not able to reach your toes, you can take some ribbon or a string and hold here this way and pull yourselves down. This way you can modify. Okay, so hold here and bend down. This way you can modify the posture. Hold here, 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more. Please take your hands back and stretch your toes front as much you can. Take them and turn them back, stretching your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you have to repeat this anytime when you're free. Just stretch your legs and repeat these things. One more very good for knees is lie down on your back and just do cycling in the air. This is very good. Just we are trying to move the joints. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. We'll do the reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more simple posture for knee joint pain, or actually it can be called as a preventive for knee joint pains. In yoga philosophy, it is called as a painkiller of knee joint pains. So when we do this regularly, we will never get knee joint pains. And that's very simple one. Vajrasana. Sit on your knees and sit back on your heels. So this is how you must be knowing this. It's very simple but very, very effective. As I said, this should be practiced before we get knee joint pains. This is like a preventive than like a treatment. So when we sit this way, this will help to increase the digestion, better digestion, and also many lower abdominal problems are also relieved by sitting this way. So sit this way. Whenever possible, after meal, it's very good to improve the digestion. So you can sit after lunch, dinner, whenever you have a meal, you can sit after the meal. This is the only posture which we can do immediately after meal. Otherwise, usually we do yoga on empty stomach, as you know.